let's also welcome on board our technical expert onto the show to understand that despite a muted session on the benchmark indices, how are they seeing the move ahead, because this is a monthly options expiry. And not just that, from the stock specific action, as we are seeing a lot of counters buzzing, so which counters are on their radar? And with this, let me welcome on board Mandar Jamsandekar. Hi, very good afternoon, Mandar. Firstly, on the indices, we have seen a bit of a recovery from the day's lowest point, and at least both the benchmark indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty, managed to end the day in green. But for tomorrow, do you expect the green momentum to continue?
Shishti, good afternoon, and thank you for having me on your show. I think a similar kind of a trade is going to continue, and not only this week, but I expect the next 2 weeks to for the markets to consolidate. So we'll see this kind of a move: the market going up, the market going down in an intraday trade, keeping it choppy. So this kind of a trade I expect in the next 2 weeks. And this week we know it's truncated. Plus we have got plenty of data points that there's derivative expiry, a lot of data coming out from the US. So that's going to keep the markets choppy. And not only this week, next week as well, we would see a choppy session. The next, I think, directional move in the markets could be only when the first quarter earnings start. So that for that, we still have to wait for 2 more weeks. So therefore, during this period, we may see this kind of a move. But yes, it's going to be a script specific trade. And as we've seen individual stocks showing us good kind of moves even today, that would continue throughout this period. So that there's no doubt about that. But you have to be very choosy when it comes to picking stocks, and at least one needs to take care that one should not run after stocks which have already displayed a strong kind of a move. So moves happen on expectations, and therefore one needs to be cautious in those kind of stocks which have run up. But yes, it's going to be a script specific market, and the index is going to remain choppy.
Right, script specific market. So what are those scripts you're looking at in this market, Mandar, if I can ask you?
See, there are two stocks which I think should show good kind of moves in the coming few days. First one is SSWL, that is Steel Strip Wheels. It's shown a nice kind of a breakout today, traded good kind of volumes. Therefore, I have a buy in SSWL with a stop loss at 195 for an upside target of 235. And the second stock is Equitas Bank. One can accumulate this stock from an investment point of view. Stop loss at 74 for an upside target of 110.
Okay, with this, we'll let you go on that, Mandar. Thank you so much for joining us today on ET Now with your market expectation and the outlook and your stock specific ideas as well. Well, let's move